What happened to me on August 24, 2026? Hey bro, son, girl, 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 girl. No, I'm not a girl. Then why are you wearing skirt then? It's because it's in the school policies that I wanna become a real man so bad. Why did you have to do this? Look, oh, look. He said all of in Seven Gold hates you because you were bullying them. But I already admit my wrongdoings. What did I do next? You bullied them. And also I tell everyone about your channel. I tell everyone to your channel, including Lena. Yes. Are you being specific right now? And I also show all of the whole 7 gold. The whole 7 gold. 7 gold. Huh? You can't be serious. You can't be serious. You can't be serious. I'm telling the truth. I'm telling the truth right here. Why would you do this? How about Elijah and Adam? Yes, they already know about it. Look, then he's messaging, but then act like wait. Look, oh, I'm messaging Lena, but he's kind. She's kind to me. She's strict. How? I think you might not be true. It might to be not true. Okay, hello Lena. I'm going to I'm going to make Cyril her YouTube channel. No! Please don't. Why would you do this? Hehehehe. He asked for look. Then he said, what is it? Come on. After the talking, then I suddenly sleep. Ow! Oh, ow! Then they look at me and he accidentally laughed. Then I just ran away. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for my sundo here. 30 minutes. Once I'm waiting for my sundo, 30 minutes later, my mom arrived already. Why are you sad? Why are you sad? This is me. Ba't ka malungkot? Joaquin, halika dito, malungkot siya. Vlog lang ako dito yung nangyari kahapon. Nagwa-vlog lang ako yung nangyari kahapon. Let's check why is Cyril sad. Why is Cyril sad? Let's check. O sige, halika na dito, Joaquin. Ikamustahin natin siya, bakit siya malungkot. Bakit ka malungkot? Kasi si Andre na naman. Kasi si Andre naman. Si Andre na naman kasi in-expose niya ako tapos nag-jealous pala siya sa akin. Tama ka pala, Daddy. Oo nga, tama nga ako. Sabi ko na nga sa'yo, secret lang yun eh. Sabi ko sa'yo, secret lang yun eh, Cyril. Yung gusto mo maging boy. Gusto mo maging lalaki. Kasi si Andre na naman in-expose niya ako tapos tama ka nga. Jealous siya. Oo nga. Hindi niya na makakalimutan yun yung secret ko. Hindi ko na makakalimutan yun. Hindi niya na makakalimutan yun. Na-expose niya na talaga sa iba. Tapos yung mga naaway ko na classmates sa 7 Gold, naghiganti na. Bakit pa kasi? Kasi na siya. Oh, there, don't cry. Kasi sila na naman. Kasi si Asper at saka si Andre. Tinawanan niya ako, nadulas ako. Ito. There. Cyril. Daddy, na jealous sila tapos in-expose niya na rin sa akin yung sa mga bagong classmate ko. Bakit ganun, Daddy? Kasi, Daddy, alam mo, in-expose niya na ako sa bago kong classmate. In-expose na niya ako sa bago kong classmate, si Andre. Tapos sinit niya rin akong girl. O, sabi ko na nga sa'yo, ba't mo pa nga in-expose? Sabi ko nga, bakit mo pa nga in-expose? Ha? Yan, kasalanan mo tuloy. Dapat in-expose mo yan. Dapat, hindi mo dapat in-expose yan. Dahil secret lang. Secret lang. Dahil secret lang yung pagkaka-billionaire mo. Yung secret lang natin yun, yung pagkaka-billionaire mo. Yung gusto mo maging boy. Gusto mo maging totoong lalaki. Yan tuloy. Nasad ka, pabayaan mo na yun si Andre, ha? Pabayaan mo na yun. O, sige. When I became sad dahil si Andre. I'm coming. Dang dadang 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 dang dang dadang 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 da 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 dang da 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 dang 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 da 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 dang da 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 dang 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 da 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 dang da 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 dang. I'm coming. What's going on? Walking. Walking. In-expose ako ni Andre. Tapos kinit niya akong girl. Tung 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 tung. Oh, sabi ko na nga sa'yo eh. Sabi ko na nga sa'yo. Juan, bakit ka pa kasi in-expose yan? Ba't mo pa nga in-expose? Alam mo na nga, gusto mo maging lalaki, tapos, dapat secret lang yun. Na maging billionaire ka, ha? Ha? Dapat secret lang natin yun, na mag-billionaire. Dapat maging billionaire ka. Secret lang yun, yung pagkaka-billionaire mo na gusto mo maging lalaki na real. Okay po. Tapos, he just left.